What's up? I'm Elia, singer and extreme vocal coach, and today we're going to talk about how to breathe properly for singing and screaming. We're going over common mistakes, practical tips, and some useful exercises to help you master your breathing. Ready? Let's dive in! The first thing you want to avoid is raising your shoulders when you inhale, like this. This kind of breathing creates unnecessary tension, it's shallow, inefficient, and just not what we want. Instead, is what we are aiming for. Stand tall with a straight but not stiff back, chin and neck forming a round 90-degree angle, keep your shoulders relaxed, your chest is open and proud like you're a warrior ready for battle, knees slightly bent, and your feet hip-width apart. Once you're in this position, we're going to breathe using our diaphragm. You should feel the entire ribcage expand, not just the front of your belly. Think of it like a 360-degree balloon inflating. If this feels tricky at first, break it down into 2 steps. First, try inhaling by expanding just the belly, and then try expanding just the ribs horizontally. Once you get the hang of both, combine them. This is called costodiaphragmatic breathing, and it's the foundation of vocal power and control. Let's go through a few exercises! A great exercise to build control is the long S. Take a deep breath and release it as a steady S, like this. Try to hold it for at least 20 seconds, then repeat. Make sure the airflow is steady and even. No breaks or volume spikes. No. Yeah. And don't collapse your posture. Don't do. But stay open in your chest, in your ribs for as long as you can. The second exercise is very similar, but this time we'll go for a staccato S, like this. You can do this exercise anytime. I know they can feel boring, but trust me, they'll make a huge difference. Extra tips! If you feel tension in your abs, back, or diaphragm, I recommend doing the exercises I'm about to show you daily for at least 5 minutes. They help release tightness and improve your breath support over time. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe for more tutorials and vocal tips. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, where I share quick tutorials almost every day. All the links are down in the description. And if you're ready to take your vocals to the next level, shoot me a DM on my social to book a private extreme vocal lesson with me. I've got tons of techniques and pro tips I can't wait to share with you. That's it from Elia. See you in the next video. Get some!